Hello guys, so yesterday ang pinag-usapan natin is all about the FCE, right? So yung FCE, Foreign Credential Evaluation, so yun na yun. Sa West kayo magpa-FCE, magpa-evaluate, and then ang next na nangyari sa akin, di ba sabi ko January, yung timeline ng visa sponsor. Yung visa sponsor ko is J1X Visa Exchanges, okay? So J1X Visa Exchanges, so far hindi siya familiar sa akin before, but nung nag-research ako, 10 years na siyang existing. And then by the way guys, every year ang visa sponsor ay may bayad. So ang visa sponsor namin, ang bayad namin annually is $1,500. So kung i-convert, paki-convert nyo na lang yan sa pera natin. Basta kay yearly, may annual fee ang visa sponsor namin, which is J1X Visa Exchanges. Ang bayad is $1,500. Lahat ng J1 teachers under ng J1 program na teachers, lahat kami ay meron kaming annual payment ng aming visa. Okay? Kasi ang visa namin, sila ang nag-sponsor of course ng aming visa. So annually, meron kaming bayad sa kanila. So yun nga, sa amin $1,500. Paki-convert sa Pinas. Sa other visa sponsor, I heard that it's more than, listen to this, it's more than sa amin na bayad. At isa pa, ang baba ng sweldo nila guys. Super. Mababa na nga yung sweldo, malaki pa yung annual fee ng visa sponsor nila. Okay? Meron akong nabasa kahapon sa group namin na 3,000 mahigit umabot, almost $4,000 kasama na insurance noon. Baka maganda din ang insurance. Kasi pala ang insurance na under kami, especially ako, is sa health insurance ng aming visa sponsor. Monthly na binabayaran namin sa health insurance under ng visa sponsor is $95. Okay? So yung $95 na yan, may mga scope yan. Halimbawa, yung health insurance na yan is kanang bitang pag meron accident, ganyan, yan ang scope niya, or kapag may injury, yan ang scope niya. Pero kung halimbawa personal medication, kamukha nung nangyari sa akin, hindi siya scope. Okay, hindi siya scope. Yun lang accident at saka yung injury ang scope ng visa sponsor namin ng health insurance. So again guys, ang video na ito, ginawa ko to kasi to explain to you na ang visa sponsor yearly may annual fee. So my visa sponsor is J1 Visa Exchanges. Yan ang name ng aking visa sponsor. Ang yearly annual fee is $1,500. Sa ibang sponsor, ibang visa sponsor, it's more than sa binabayaran ko at mababa ang sweldo. Kaya guys, I recommend my visa sponsor. Kung meron kayong tanong about sa visa sponsor, I can recommend. Okay, so that's it for now. I just focus on talking about the visa sponsor, the annual fee, and the health insurance behind our visa sponsor. So that's it. Happy Friday. I'm gonna do my work. Okay, bye bye.